All right, everyone, let's jump right in, ready to level up your Excel game.
Always.
Today, we're diving deep into an Excel shortcut that's seriously a game changer,
Yeah.
especially if you love efficiency like I do.
Oh, absolutely.
This is one of those things that seems kind of basic,
Right.
but once you master it,
Yeah.
it just unlocks a whole new level of control and power in Excel.
I think what's so cool about this is that it seems simple on the surface,
Right.
but it has these huge implications for how you actually manage and control all your spreadsheets.
So, spill the beans.
hmm
What is this magical shortcut we're talking
Okay, so it's Alt plus E plus S plus V.
about? Oh, wow.
I know it looks like a mouthful,
It does.
but trust me on this one.
Okay.
It's basically the express lane to the paste values command.
Paste values. I've seen that around in Excel.
Sure.
Honestly, I've never really wrapped my head around what it actually does.
So paste values, it's all about separating the numbers you see in a cell from the formula that actually created them. Think about it like a formula in Excel, something like SUM A1.A10. It takes a bunch of numbers, does some math, spits out a result.
Okay.
Paste values lets you grab that result
Right.
and put it somewhere else, but without bringing the formula along for the ride.
Oh, so instead of copying a formula that could change,
Yep.
I'm just copying the plain number itself.
Exactly, and that's what makes it so powerful.
Hmm.
Imagine you're putting together a financial model.
Okay.
You've calculated last quarter's profits.
Yep.
You want to include that number in a report,
Right.
but you don't want it to change if your assumptions for the future quarters happen to change.
Right.
Paste values lets you basically freeze that number in time.
So it's kind of like taking a snapshot of the data at a specific moment,
Exactly.
which makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I've definitely had spreadsheets kind of go haywire
Oh, yeah.
when the source data changes and I haven't locked things down properly.
It happens to the best of us,
Yeah, for sure.
and that's where this comes in. It's all about control and predictability.
Right.
And it's not just financial models either.
Oh, really?
Think about data analysis reporting, charting.
Hmm.
Anytime you want to make sure those numbers stay put,
Yeah.
paste values is your best friend.
Wow, okay. I never realized it could be so versatile.
Oh, yeah.
So is that Alt plus E plus S plus V?
That's the full combo.
Yeah.
It gives you access to the whole paste special dialog box
Yeah.
with all sorts of other options.
Yeah, yeah.
But for speed demons out there, there's a faster way.
Let's hear it.
Control plus Alt plus V.
Wow.
It's like the express lane to pasting values.
So we've got two options.
Got it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is it just personal preference which one you use?
Totally personal preference.
Okay.
The longer one gives you that flexibility with the
Right.
other paste types.
Yeah.
But if you're a paste values purist,
Uh-huh.
that shorter one, it's the way to go.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is super helpful. I mean, this feels like a shortcut anyone who uses Excel should just have in their back pocket.
I think so too.
Right.
Yeah, it's one of those fundamental tools that can save you so much time and frustration in the long run.
Yeah, for sure.
And it kind of makes you think what other situations in Excel could benefit from just separating the values from the formulas.
That's a great question.
Right.
Something to think about.
Yeah. As you continue on your spreadsheet journey.
Absolutely. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive.
Of course. Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time.
See you then.